We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive look at the Shanker golf socks. The funny, angry golfer socks designed as a humorous and practical gift for golf enthusiasts. If you own these socks, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your feedback is invaluable. The Shanker golf socks have quickly become a standout novelty item, especially for those searching for the perfect gift for the golfer in their life. Marketed as a funny golf gift for men, these socks are available in a single pair per pack and are designed to fit sizes 10 through 13. The brand behind these socks, Shanker Golf, is known for its playful take on golf accessories, and these socks are no exception. One of the first things users notice about the Shanker golf socks is the quality of the material. Multiple reviewers highlight that these socks feel more like dress socks than thick athletic socks. This means they are lightweight, breathable, and comfortable enough to be worn all day, whether on the golf course or at a casual event. The fabric is soft to the touch, offering a pleasant feel against the skin, and the socks have been praised for their stretchiness, ensuring a good fit even for those with larger feet, up to size 13. The stretch factor also means that the socks maintain their shape after multiple wears and washes, which is a critical point for anyone who values longevity in their clothing accessories. The design is where these socks truly shine. The angry golfer motif is both humorous and detailed, capturing the essence of the sport's frustrations in a lighthearted way. Reviewers consistently mention that the design looks exactly as pictured and that the colors are vivid and do not fade, even after several washes. The clarity of the image and the overall print quality have been highlighted as major positives, with many users noting that the socks have become conversation starters both on and off the golf course. The dark color palette allows them to pair well with dress pants, making them versatile enough for more formal settings while still retaining their playful edge. In terms of gifting, the Shanker golf socks have proven to be a hit across various occasions. They are frequently mentioned as excellent stocking stuffers, Father's Day gifts, and prank presents for golf lovers. The humor embedded in the design resonates with both avid and casual golfers, and the socks have often been described as the highlight of gift exchanges. Several reviewers recount stories of laughter and camaraderie sparked by the socks, with recipients wearing them proudly to show off among friends and fellow golfers. This social aspect adds an extra layer of value, as the socks not only serve a functional purpose, but also help foster connections through shared humor. Comfort is another area where these socks excel. Users report that they are comfortable enough to wear for extended periods, whether during a round of golf or throughout a busy day. The socks are neither too thick nor too thin, striking a balance that makes them suitable for a range of weather conditions. They provide enough cushioning to be worn with golf shoes, yet remain breathable to prevent overheating during warmer months. The fit is consistently described as true to size, with no reports of slipping or bunching, which can often be an issue with novelty socks. Durability is always a concern with novelty items, but the Shanker golf socks have received positive marks in this regard. Many reviewers mention that the socks hold up well after repeated washing, with no significant signs of wear, fading, or pilling. The elasticity remains intact, and the material does not lose its softness over time. This durability ensures that the socks can be enjoyed for many rounds of golf and numerous outings, making them a practical addition to any wardrobe. While the majority of feedback is overwhelmingly positive, a few users note that the material, while good, could be of slightly higher quality. This is a minor point, as most agree that the socks are more than adequate for their intended purpose, and that the humor and design more than compensate for any perceived shortcomings in fabric thickness. The socks are not intended to replace high-performance athletic socks, but rather to add a touch of fun and personality to the wearer's ensemble. Another aspect worth mentioning is the universal appeal of the socks. While they are marketed primarily towards men, the size range and design make them suitable for anyone with a sense of humor and a love for golf. The socks have been purchased for husbands, boyfriends, brothers, and even as a fun addition to a personal sock collection. The ability to fit larger feet comfortably is a significant advantage, as many novelty socks tend to run small or lose their shape quickly. The packaging and presentation of the Shanker golf socks also receive positive comments. The socks arrive neatly packed, making them easy to wrap or include in a gift bag. The overall presentation adds to the gifting experience, ensuring that the recipient feels like they are receiving a thoughtful and unique present. In terms of value, the Shanker golf socks are competitively priced, especially considering their popularity and the quality of the product. With a high customer rating and a strong position in the bestsellers rank for men's novelty socks, these socks offer excellent value for money. They provide a unique blend of humor, comfort, and practicality that is hard to find in other novelty gifts. The socks' versatility extends beyond the golf course. Their dress sock appearance allows them to be worn in a variety of settings, from the office to casual outings. This flexibility makes them a practical gift for anyone who enjoys expressing their personality through their wardrobe. The socks are dark in color, which helps them coordinate easily with a range of outfits, adding a subtle touch of fun without being overly flashy. For those concerned about maintenance, the Shanker golf socks are easy to care for. They can be machine washed without fear of the design fading or the material deteriorating. This ease of care is an important consideration for anyone who wants to enjoy their novelty socks without the hassle of special washing instructions. The social impact of the socks should not be underestimated. Many reviewers mention receiving compliments and starting conversations thanks to the sock's unique design. This social aspect adds to the overall enjoyment of the product, turning a simple accessory into a memorable talking point. Whether worn to a golf outing, a casual gathering, or even a day at the office, the socks have the power to bring a smile to people's faces and lighten the mood. From a technical standpoint, the socks measure approximately 9.49 by 3.8, 2 by 1.02 inches, and weigh just 1.45 ounces, making them lightweight and easy to pack for travel. The item model number is SKR042, and they are categorized under men's department. The product was first made available in March 2024 and is manufactured in China. With an impressive bestsellers rank and nearly 650 customer ratings averaging 4.8 out of 5 stars, the socks have established themselves as a favorite among novelty sock enthusiasts. To summarize, the Shanker golf socks offer a combination of humor, comfort, and quality that makes them an excellent gift for any golfer or golf fan. The standout design, durable material, and comfortable fit ensure that they are both practical and enjoyable to wear. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from users highlights their appeal as a gift that brings laughter and joy, while the minor criticisms regarding material thickness are far outweighed by the sock's many strengths. If you are looking for a unique and memorable gift for a golfer, or simply want to add a touch of fun to your own sock collection, the Shanker golf socks are a highly recommended choice. Remember, if you have tried these socks yourself, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your experience can make a difference. For those interested in purchasing, the link to the product is in the description. Using the link supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you detailed, expert-driven reviews. Thank you for considering the Shanker golf socks for your next gift or personal purchase.